Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss a company from a financial sector which is present and has a well diversified portfolio in the whole supply chain of financial sector. So we will understand the overall financial market, we will understand the overall business of the company, and we will do the financial analysis of that company, and at the end we will do the technical analysis to identify how much potential is available in this company. So before starting, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel so that you will get regular update of value buying opportunity, and you will learn how to do a fundamental financials and technical analysis to identify those value buying opportunity in the stock market. So let's start our discussion. So let me share my screen. In this video, we are going to discuss Aditya Birla Capital Ltd. So if you can see, I have opened the annual report of Aditya Birla Capital Ltd. So this is the overall business and the different verticals of Aditya Birla Capital. They are having three major businesses. As I mentioned, they are present in the overall supply chain of financial sector. The first sector in which the company is having its presence is the insurance sector. The second sector is they are also having their presence in the mutual fund houses. The third one is they are in the lending business also. These are the three major businesses which Aditya Birla Capital is having. So if you can see, under the insurance sector, they are having the life insurance and the health insurance. They are also providing the insurance advisory and multiple wellness services as a part of insurance services. The second business, as far as the asset management company is concerned, so they are having mutual funds in their portfolio. They also do the wealth management services. They are the stocks and security brokers. They also provide portfolio management services as a part of investment services. They also have pension funds and the real estate investment in their investing solution. The third business is the lending business. So they provide home loans, personal loans, they provide SME finance also, they provide mortgage finance, loan against security, they provide corporate finance also. Under lending solution, they are having different financing services which is catering to overall market as far as the retail and the corporate customers are concerned. So we have seen the company is having a well diversified portfolio which is giving them the edge to reach maximum number of customer and cross sell their products to those customers. Now let's analyze the performance of the company over the last 4 or 5 years. This is the overall financial parameter of the company. So if you can see, Aditya Birla Capital has increased their revenue with a 14% CAGR in last 1 year. So currently they are having the revenue of 20,447 crore. And the second parameter is the consolidated net profit that has been increased by 22% CAGR. Currently stands at 1,127 crore. The third one, if you can see the total asset under management, they have increased by 10% CAGR and currently it stands at 3.4 lakh crore. So again, as I told you, this is fifth largest company as far as the mutual fund houses are concerned in India. Next important parameter, if you can see under the insurance sector, so they are having the gross total premium of 11,076 crore, which has been increased by 25% CAGR in last 1 year. Now, as far as the lending solution is concerned, which currently stands at 60,557 crore, and it has been increased by 2% CAGR in last 1 year. And currently they are having the 25 million active customer in the different verticals and different business sectors. Now, as far as the market reach is concerned, they are currently having the 861 branches all over the pan India, and they are having the partnership of different banks of more than 100 plus. So currently they are having the banking partnership with HDFC Bank for selling their life insurance and the health insurance product as far as the insurance sector is concerned. So these are the consolidated business financial parameter which we have seen. Now let's analyze the individual business parameter over last 5 years. So the first business of Aditya Birla Capital, that is a insurance business. So if you can see, in last 5 years, the gross premium has been increased from 5,778 crore to 11,076 crore. So they have almost doubled their gross premium in the last 5 years. You can see the net VNB margin, which is the net value of new businesses margin, has been increased from negative 5.5% to positive 10.6%. So again, that is a very good growth shown as far as the new businesses are concerned. So this VNB margin is nothing but it gives you the profit of the new businesses which company is catering to year on year. So currently it stands at 10.6%. So which is a good sign. If I can explain it with the example, so VNB margin, if the insurance company has sell a product of insurance to a new customer with a premium of rupees 100, and if it is having the VNB margin of 20%, it means that that particular product is giving them the profit of 20% over the life cycle of that particular insurance product. So this is nothing but the profit margin from the new businesses which is coming. The next important parameter is the 13-month persistency. Persistency percentage is nothing but the retention of the customer which is taking the insurance from an insurance company. So if you can see again, the performance has been increased from 71% to 84%. So currently they are able to retain 84% of customer as far as the different insurance products and services are concerned. So overall in the insurance business, the company has shown a very good performance in the last 5 years. And if you can see their EV growth, that is the embedded value growth parameter of the stability of the company, it has also been improved from 5% to 24%, which is a very good sign for an insurance company. Now let's talk about the second business of the mutual fund business. So currently, if you can see, the asset under management of Aditya Birla Capital has been increased from 1.88 lakh crore in 2017 to 2.6 lakh crore in 2020. Now the second parameter, that is equity mix, this is also has been increased from 24% to 36% in the last 5 years. Now in the right hand side, if you can see, the SIP as a percentage of total equity AUM scaled up from 24% to 43%. So again, that is a good sign. Next parameter, which is the retail plus HNI asset under management, it has been increased from 0.84 lakh crore to 1.27 lakh crore. And the number of investor portfolio currently Aditya Birla Capital is having is 71 lakh. So again, that is a very good sign as they are regularly increasing the market reach as far as different businesses are concerned. Third major revenue contributor in Aditya Birla Capital is the lending business. So currently their lending book stands at 60,000 crore in 2021, which has been increased from 38,000 crore in 2017. So in last 5 years, they has been again increased the market share as far as total lending is concerned. Now this lending includes the NBFC also, means the personal loan and other loan instruments, also the housing finance loan which they are catering. So again, in the lending business also, they are having a diversified portfolio, and it is giving them the edge to reach to maximum number of customer through their services. Now, if we can take only retail and small and medium enterprises as a percentage of total lending book, so again, it has been increased from 41% to 64%. Their current focus is to increase the retail and the SME lending compared to the corporate lending, because these are the customer where they can charge higher interest rate, and also these are the customer which are paying regular repayment of their debt amount, and which is reducing in terms of the NPA of the total lending services concerned. So other small businesses which Aditya Birla Capital is having, they are the stock broker also. So currently, if you can see premium, it has been increased from 2,580 crore to 4,852 crore. The return on equity from the broking business, it is one of the best ROE I have seen. So currently it stands at 52%. Every rupee of investment, they are getting the 52% return out of that investment. So that is a very, very good sign. Although it is a small business, but it is giving them the good return as far as the return on equity is concerned. The third one is stock broking ROE. If you can see, again, it has been increased from 17% to 42%. Return on equity improvement is only coming from the digitization and the improvement which they are making as far as their total operational cost is concerned. So because of the improvement in the operation cost, their net profit has been increased and they are getting this much of higher rate return on equity from the brokering sector of the business. We have seen the financials of all the businesses of Aditya Birla Capital. They are showing a great improvement in the last 5 years. Now let's analyze the individual performances of the business as far as the revenue and profit is concerned. So this is the consolidated revenue and profit figure in the last 5 years. So revenue has been increased with a CAGR of 17%, currently stands at 20,447 crores. Second important parameter, that is the profit after tax, PAT has been increased with a CAGR of 18% in the last 5 years and currently stands at 1,127 crore. So again, the company has shown a very good growth as far as the total revenue and the profit after tax is concerned. The lending book has been increased with a CAGR of 12% in the last 5 years, and the gross premium from the insurance sector, it has been improved with a CAGR of 18% in the last 5 years. So this is about the overall business of the Aditya Birla Capital. Now this is the important chart. So from this chart, you can understand the revenue and the PBT percentage, which is coming from different businesses of Aditya Birla Capital. Let's analyze the revenue chart. So life insurance business contributes around 51% of total revenue of the Aditya Birla Capital. This is the major business of Aditya Birla Capital. The second business is the lending business, which is the non-banking finance company. So it contributes around 27%. If we can combine the lending business, that is NBFC plus housing finance, total contribution coming is 33%, that is 27 plus 6%. This contribution is coming from the asset management, which they are catering through their mutual fund houses. So currently it contributes around 6% revenue in the overall business, and the health insurance contributes again this 6% of revenue as far as the overall business is concerned. And other businesses like broking business, as far as the general insurance and stocks and security are concerned, contributes around 1 to 3% in the total revenue. Majority contribution is coming from the insurance sector and the lending business. Now, as far as the profit before tax is concerned, lending business contributes around 61%. So if you can see from NBFC, the contribution is coming around 52%, and from housing finance sector, the contribution is coming around 9%. So overall contribution as far as the profit is concerned, it is coming from the lending business. The second contribution of profit, which is coming from the asset management services, again from the mutual fund houses. Although the revenue part of lending business is only 33%, but it contributes around 61% in the overall profit margin. The second is, although the asset management, the mutual fund house contributes only 6% as far as revenue is concerned, but it contributes 35%, which is a major percentage as far as the profit is concerned. Going forward, even if they increase the overall market reach of the asset management company and the lending business, the profit margin of this company will increase drastically, because the majority, that is 61% plus 35%, which is equivalent to almost 90%, the profit margin is coming from only two businesses, that is the lending business and the mutual fund services. And life insurance company, which is the major contributor in revenue, the profit margin, it contributes only 8%, because this insurance business is a small margin business. So there is not much play as far as the profit making is concerned. So that is why the profit is coming only 8% from the insurance business. And only because of the diversified portfolio of businesses, Aditya Birla is able to show a good financial performance in the last 5 years. We have seen the overall businesses of the Aditya Birla Capital, and we have seen the fundamentals and the financials of this company, and in every business and the every vertical, the company is showing a consistent growth as far as the revenue and the profit is concerned. Also, they has been consistently increasing the market reach in the individual businesses. So going forward, the company has a huge potential to grow, because the per capita consumption of the insurance product or the mutual fund products, the penetration level in India is very low compared to the developed country like US. Now let's do the technical analysis to understand how much potential is available in Aditya Birla Capital. going forward. We are in the trade view, and this is a chart of Aditya Birla Capital. So if you can see, Aditya Birla Capital has listed in 2017. After listing in 2017, the stock prices has corrected by almost 85%. Because of this huge correction, the company is available at a very good valuation. This was the overall correction, but pandemic also played a huge role in this correction. So if I can draw this from the March 2020, so the company has corrected by almost 66%. After correcting by almost 66%, the company has immediately giving a very good return of 266% in just 1 year. So that was a very good rally the company has shown after the pandemic period. Now let me just remove this drawing. Currently, if you can see, the stock prices is available at a strong resistance and support line. So this is the strong resistance and support line. So on this price level of 112, so this was the first resistance, this was the second resistance. So at the same price level, company has shown a multiple resistance, and after giving the breakout from 112 price level, company is again taking a multiple support at this price level. So because of this only, this is a strong resistance and support line. Now let's see how much potential is available in Aditya Birla Capital. So Aditya Birla Capital has formed the cup with handle pattern. So this is the cup and this is the handle. So if we can take the depth of this cup with handle pattern, we will get our potential target. So this is the depth of this cup with handle pattern, and if we can take this depth and put it on the neckline, we will get the potential target of 159 price level. So if we can draw it from the current price level to 159 price level, we will get a direct potential of 41%. That is a very good potential available in Aditya Birla Capital. And this target price of 159 is very important because the company is currently in a consolidation phase from the last few months. Because of this consolidation, it has formed a reverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. And if we can take the depth of this reverse head and shoulder and draw it up to the neckline and put it on the neckline, we will get the same price level of 159. So the two different pattern has giving us the same price level of 159. So this is a very important price level and the target price of 41% gain from the current price level. So this is the first target as far as the technicals are concerned. Now let me show you few more targets as far as the total chart pattern is concerned. So if I can take this price level of 138, so this is again a strong resistance point. So this is the again cup with handle pattern. So this is a big cup and this is the handle, and the second handle is in the formation. So if we can take the depth of this big cup with handle pattern and draw it up to the neckline and take this depth and put it on the neckline, we will get our second target. So our second target is price level of 240, and if we can draw it from the current price level up to 240 price level, we will get a potential gain of 113%. So that is a very good potential. Even if it takes 2 years to achieve this target, that is a good potential and a good CAGR return as far as our technicals are concerned. The last target is if we can take the all-time high price level, that is the listing price level of 255, and if we can draw it from the current price level of 255 price level, the potential available is 128%. We have got multiple targets in Aditya Birla Capital. So let me repeat, the first target is 159 price level with a potential gain of 41%. The second target is 240 price level with a potential gain of 113%, and the third target is 255 price level with a potential gain of 128%. I am an investor in Aditya Birla Capital for both the target, again the short-term target and the long-term target. When I am saying I am an investor or the buyer in this particular company, this is not a buying or selling recommendation. I am here trying to teach you how to do a fundamental financials and technical analysis to identify this value buying opportunity in the stock market, which currently Aditya Birla is giving us. So I hope you have liked this video. I will see you in next video. Thank you.